Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll take a look at one of my favorite ROM during the time of Nougat. There was no development based on Oreo, but today we have the first build of Oreo, and the name of the ROM is Paranoid Android, which is the best custom ROM in terms of customizations and stability. So let's not waste much of time directly diving inside the ROM. So this will be the first look of your ROM. It comes with the Pixel launcher pre-installed on it. Right now it is available only for Oneplus 3, 3T, 5 and 5T. I have installed it on my Oneplus 5 and which is working great with an awesome battery backup. Recently Paranoid team also showed up a video about the new gesture features which will be introduced with Pie builds, that is Android 9.0. Now let's take a look at the software information. Going to settings, system, about phone, and here you can see model is OnePlus 5, Android version is 8.1. Paranoid Android version is Oscar Alpha number 1 with a security patch of 5th May 2018, which is an outdated patch. This ROM has its own camera application which is by Team Paranoid and which have lots of features inside it like HDR, portrait, landscape, sports mode, flower, backlight, candle and other stuff. Video recording is a bug on this ROM, and as you can see it gives an error when you start video recording. This ROM also includes Paranoid browser, Shuttle music player, and both of them are from Paranoid team. With this build we don't get much of customization options, so let's go to the settings. Under Wi-Fi both the bands are working fine, no issues with the Wi-Fi connectivity, and under mobile network Jio SIM card is working fine. I have personally tested, Volt services are working. There are no issues with the outgoing or incoming calls. Under connected devices, Bluetooth seems to be working fine. I have not tested NFC. App and notification, here you have the recent app which you have used. Battery, here we have normal options like battery saving mode. You can also enable the battery percentage, and if you want you can also enable adaptive brightness. Battery stats I'll provide you at the end of video. Under display we have options like brightness level, night light, and that seems to be working fine. Adaptive brightness, pocket detection. Under advanced we have options like RGB mode. Font size can be changed. Ambient display consists of new notification wake up. Then device theme have only two options. One is the default one and the second one is the Pixel one. Then we have basic settings related to sound. After that, under security and lock screen, let's check fingerprint. So let me enroll my fingerprint first. So I've already enrolled my fingerprint, and now let's lock the screen and see. And here it goes. There are no issues with the fingerprint, which is again lightning fast on this build. Then we have few options related to accessibility, and under system we have gestures which include jump to camera. Then we have the last option under system which is related to buttons. So as you can see here, this is one more bug. I have disabled the navigation bar, but it's still available on the screen, and if I try to enable it again and then turn it off, the system gets crashed and it will directly boot to recovery. So I would suggest you guys, if you are not willing to use navigation bar, then do not install this ROM as of now. Wait for the further builds, and I don't think so there will be more builds because the team is working on Android Pie. Then we have swap off alert slider, and alert slider is working fine. So only these many options available on this. Now let me show you the battery backup which I got it on this ROM. So I have already taken a screenshot related to that. So as you can see, this is my first cycle where I got 5 hours and 52 minutes of screen on time, in which I had watched lots of YouTube, played around 45 minutes of PUBG and little bit of browsing around 1 hour, which I normally do it on my device. So talking about the battery backup is really great on this ROM. I had no issues with the battery backup. Now moving on to the performance part. After installing this ROM, I played PUBG around 45 minutes and there were no lags noticed while playing the game. Everything was pretty much smooth and there were not much of hitting issues also. And these are the benchmark results. Going with Geekbench application, under this single core scores 1936 wherein multi-core scores 6495. With Antutu Bench application, the device scores 1,89,062. Talking about the installation process, you can install this ROM just by downloading the ROM file and the Google App package, and you can flash it using TWRP recovery or any custom recovery available. But make sure to decrypt your device before installing this ROM. And if you have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.